Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Zelle Not Working on iOS. Let's get started. For that, first of all, make sure your network isn't the issue. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to a cellular data or turn the airplane mode on and off to refresh connection. A weak connection can stop Zelle from loading or signing in. After that, force quit or reopen the app. Sometimes Zelle stuck in the background, so swipe up from the bottom of the screen, find Zelle and then swipe it up to close it. Then reopen the app and then try again. After that, open up Settings. Inside Settings, tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage. Now search for Zelle and then tap onto it. Now inside here, tap on Upload app, then tap on Upload app again. This removes temporary data without deleting your account. After you offload the app, tap on Reinstall app afterward. Now head back to your home screen, open up the App Store. In the search bar, search for Zelle, and then simply tap onto it. If this button says Update instead of Open, tap on Update and let your application update to its latest version. This fixes bugs and compatibility issues. Also, sometimes the issue is with the system software itself. So, inside Settings, tap on General, then tap on Software Updates and install any available update, then restart your device. And hopefully one of these solutions helped fix Zelle on your iPhone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.